Yo, it's your boy Mr. 2 Times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X. As y'all can tell, I'm in the airport right now, you feel me? And I'm making this video because look, bro, this shit is hard for me, bro. Y'all notice I'm not speaking that loud, but what I wanted to talk about in this video, bro, is stop caring what people think, bro, for real. Because if you keep worrying about what people think, bro, it's gonna hold you back from so much things, bro. And 9 times out of 10, they're not even worried about you, man. So it's like, I'm still working on this. I'm still working on it myself, but you know, I'm taking it one step at a time. Because if I don't get out of my comfort zone, I'm gonna stay in a comfort zone, and I'm just gonna feel like I'm gonna be stuck in the same place. And you know, like I said, even just holding it up right now, when it goes dead silent, I'm like, damn, who's looking at me? Who's watching me right now? But who cares, bro? Like, they probably gonna see this video on YouTube anyway, so it's just like they just gonna see the third person, and it's probably weird for them because it'll be weird for me, but that's what separates me from everybody else, bro. And I want to be separated from everybody else. I don't want to keep living like an NPC and living like, y'all get what I'm saying, like everybody else, you feel me? And y'all know how bad the social anxiety is, bro. Y'all know how bad it's like right now my heart's like boom, 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 boom. But I'm like, you know what, fuck it, man. Because at the end of the day, it's not gonna kill me, bro. It's only gonna make me stronger. And what don't kill you only makes you stronger. So, like that one song, I think Carrie Underwood made it. But yeah, it's true, bro. Like, it's not like I'm gonna lose my life or something like that. You feel me? And like the more it goes on, like, this is just me like documenting and shit. The more it goes on, the more easier it gets and stuff like that. But at first I was gonna get food, but I'm like, I ain't work for it, bro. I didn't work for it, so it's like, why should I go and get something that I didn't work for? Why should I get that instant gratification? You get what I'm saying? Cause like animals, they can't go out and just get a meal unless they scavengers. They can't go out and just get a meal. They can't have somebody cook a meal for them. They gotta go out and hunt it and work for it, bro. Like, and that's what people are so dependent on the government, on other people, on just any fast food workers, bro. They dependent. Like, we roll up to McDonald's, get a Big Mac, large fry, and a soda, bro, and we're dependent on them for us to make it. For them to make it. And if they don't make it fast, we get upset, bro. The only work that you did was pull up to that window. You didn't even get out of the car, bro. You pulled up to the window in your car, bro. Didn't even have the strength to get out your car and go order. You probably placed a mobile order, had it ready, said my code ZYXW, pulled up, got your food, and left. And after you ate that shit, you felt like shit, man. So versus like if you go to the store, you pick out what you want to get, you cook your meal, you put time, you put your energy, you put your soul into it like that, it's gonna feel way better. Like even that's why I go hunting, bro. Like, I could go to the store and get a steak or something like that, but going out hunting, like, it's delayed gratification. And when you actually get the animal that you've been waiting for, you've been put the time in, put the work in, it feels way better. And then when you eat it, you're gonna be like, dang, I really did this, you feel me? So that's why I was like, all right, I'm hungry as shit right now, I want to get some food, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna challenge my brain, I'm gonna challenge myself, bro. Because really, it's just you at war with yourself. Like, that's the bottom line. Like, you're competing with yourself, bro. You're competing with your mind. Your mind is telling you, no, I can't do this. And you're so focused on trying to be in other people's mind. Like, what's he gonna think? What's she gonna think? Does she think this about me? Does he think this about me? But what do you think about yourself? That's a reflection of what you think about yourself. So if you can change what you think about yourself, you're not gonna even worry about what other people think about you. And then in turn, that's how you build confidence. Because if you stay in your shell your whole life, you're not gonna, you feel me? I'm gonna give an example. Crabs, hermit crabs. They have to find a new shell. They have to go out and find that work. They have to put that work in to find a shell, or else they're gonna outgrow their shell and they're gonna die. You feel me? So yeah, you have to go out and work for your shell. You gotta break out of your shell. That's why they say break out of your shell. So, yeah, y'all. If y'all watching this right now, I encourage y'all to do something that's been holding you back. Cause y'all know on my channel, all I be talking about is like, not just trying to tell y'all what to do. I'm doing it myself so y'all can see it in first person. Cause like I said, I can hop on here easily and just talk about some bullshit and y'all believe it, like a lot of these other people do, bro. But that's why I told y'all I'm authentic, bro. I'm gonna show y'all. Look, it's real out here, bro. But I mean, if y'all came from my last channel, which a lot of times y'all didn't, y'all know I would be down in Miami and I would be going up to people and stuff, but I would be around other people. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna get the confidence from being around all these people. But now I'm not around nobody. I gotta get out my own comfort zone, bro. So yeah, like just do what you, if you know something that's good for you, do, like if you know deep down, if whatever you're planning on doing and you're contemplating and there's something holding you back from it, 9 times out of 10 that's what's good for you, bro. Like, feel me, I could have sat here, got my food, just went up to Qdoba, ordered my food on my app, came down and ate. That's that instant gratification. But now I'm like, no, you know what, I'm gonna record a video, I'm gonna get out my comfort zone and I'm gonna work for it. So now once I go get that food, I'm gonna be like, damn, I really did that. I had that discipline to promise myself. Like, I'm in the group chat right now, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm in the group chat right now and they all telling me to do it, bro. And y'all subscribe to me for a reason, bro. Like, when y'all tell me like I inspire y'all and stuff like that, I want to continue to do that. I want y'all to replicate what I'm doing, bro. Cause I didn't conquer this shit yet myself. I didn't. But y'all can come along with the journey with me. So yeah, man, just break out of your shell. Seem like a hermit crab, bro. Break out of your shell. You gotta work. You gotta put the work in to find a new shell, or else you going. That's why I say get right or get left, bro. So, and stop giving a fuck what people think, bro. Don't give a fuck what nobody thinks. And I know it's gonna take time and stuff like that, but it's gonna hold you back, bro. Like, I bet you, me making this video, I just gained a whole bunch of subscribers, bro. Cause I'm keeping it real and I got in my comfort zone. If I would've never made this video, I probably wouldn't had you subscribe to me. You probably wouldn't be watching this video, man. So, in the end, hard work pays off, and there's different levels of hard work. When people say hard work, what do you think of? Hard laborious work. Like, oh, I gotta get up every day at 6 o'clock in the morning, go do a construction job, and just physically hard, bro. But it's mental too. Like, you gotta be mentally strong as well. Like, you're gonna have to face mental struggles as well, man. And that's gonna build you in the end. When you go to the gym, you got physical struggles, you're stretching and breaking down your muscle fibers, but in the end it's gonna grow your muscles. It's gonna hurt for a little bit, but once you start doing it and exposing yourself after again and again and again, it's eventually gonna become second nature. Cause I can see from the start of the video to now, I feel way better, bro. I really do. And you can see me scoping out, but at the end of the day, fuck it, bro. They not me, bro. They not me. They don't have what I got, bro. And everybody be using the term, like they were saying in the chat, they was like, they NPCs and stuff. That shit be real, bro. I feel like I'm in GTA. Sometimes you gotta feel like you the main character, bro. But yeah, y'all, take what y'all want from this video. Get out your comfort zone. Do what you know is gonna get you in a better state in your life. Because I know right now, if you're watching this video, you probably not where you wanna be, and it's probably something holding you back. With that being said, man, I'm about to hop on this plane. More videos coming soon. Stay safe, stay motivated, stay blessed, and stay consistent, man. I'll catch you on the next video, man. Gang.